The Consolidated Plan One-Year Action Plan is a report that we send to HUD to let them know how we plan to use the federal grants that we receive each year. The federal grants are the Home Improvement Partnership Funds, the Community Development Block Grant Funds, and the Emergency Solutions Grant Funds. At the end of the year, the annual action plan then serves as our basis for self-evaluation and reporting to HUD on how well we have done in using the federal funds to address the priority needs that we've identified in Fairfax County. Well, I've talked about the fact that we are using the federal funds to address Fairfax County's priority needs. Well, the importance of it all is that we intend the residents of Fairfax County to be the beneficiaries, and therefore we'd like to hear from the Fairfax County residents about what they see are the priority needs and how they think the federal funds should be used to address those needs. For citizens who are interested in reading the plan, you can have access to it online at the fairfaxcounty.gov/housing website. You also can access a copy of the plan at various libraries and government offices throughout Fairfax County. You're encouraged to provide feedback about the comprehensive plan and the use of the federal funds and even the identified priority needs. You can provide feedback by coming to the public hearing on March the 20th and speaking. If you plan to do that, please contact the clerk of the board's office to register. If you would like to provide written comments, please address those written comments to the attention of Grants Management at the Department of Housing. Please submit all written comments by March the 20th, 2018.